Semiconductor devices are at the core of modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones and computers to automotive systems, industrial automation, telecommunications, and smart devices. Manufacturing semiconductor components requires extreme precision, advanced process control, and complete traceability at every stage. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline semiconductor manufacturing while improving efficiency, quality, and operational excellence. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From engineering, bill of materials, procurement, production planning, wafer processing, assembly, testing, quality inspection, inventory management, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides complete visibility across the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize equipment utilization, workforce allocation, cleanroom operations, and material availability while ensuring production schedules are met. Real-time monitoring provides complete visibility into work orders, production progress, inventory movement, and resource utilization, helping reduce bottlenecks and improve productivity. Quality management is built into every stage of semiconductor